Mga kapuso, ako ay hindi po talaga madaling magpapayat. Bukod po kasi sa tamang diet at exercise, napaka-importante rin tama ang mindset o yung pong pag-iisip. Ang tamang paraan ng pagiging fit and healthy, tinutukan ni Dano Tingkungko.
Meet Karina Sestoso. Ang sexy body niya hindi lang nakuha sa dieta, kundi pati rin sa 1.5 taong jogging at aerobics. Kaya sino mag-iisip na dati, umabot ang timbang niya sa 155 pounds.
Feeling ko pangit yun. Pangit. Siguro yun din yung tingin ko kasi. Kaya yun lumalabas.
Yun din ang tingin mo sa sarili?
Ayan, yak na ako.
Halos lahat ng araw ng paraan ng pagpapapayat nasubukan na niya noon. Nagkabulimia pa nga siya o yung pagsuka ng kinakain.
Lumba-lumba do kami kasi magkasintaba kami, mataba pa kami. Siyempre, naiinis ka din, nagalit, pero mas naging parang motivation na rin. Na lumba-lumba pala, sweet revenge.
Nagsimula lang daw siyang makakita ng resulta nung nagja-jogging na siya mula sa bahay niya sa Santa Mesa hanggang Luneta. Pero aminado si Karina, hindi lang exercise at tamang diet ang dahilan ng pagpayat niya, kundi lakas din ng isip. Ayon sa isang fitness expert, marami ang nabibigong maging fitness goals nila dahil nakafocus lang sa pagbaba ng timbang, hindi sa pagiging healthy.
They go to the gym, they don't see much difference in the weighing scale, so they quit. And that's the wrong way to do it. You go to the gym, you get stronger, you get better at exercise, and then the weight loss gradually follows. The realistic goal for any person is to lose at the most 3 pounds a week.
Hindi lang din sapat na you train hard, dapat you train smart din. Ayon kay Coach Chappy, mainam na magsimula sa cardio workouts para bumilis ang metabolism ng katawan. At kapag lumalakas na ang resistensya, pwede nang singitan ng high-intensity interval training.
So right now, what we're going to do is a basic high-intensity interval training na yung ratio is 1:1. 30 seconds work, 30 seconds rest. So you're working your butt, you're working your legs, you're working your arms, you're working your chest, your torso, basically your entire body. You're trying to break the floor. Come on, come on. Use your hips also. Push with the hips. Yeah. You're gonna feel it in the butt, the back, the abs even if you tighten the core. Good.
Kasi napasubo ako dun Pero it's a good start.
Yeah.
Malakas ko sa heart. And nararamdaman ko siya the first time try these workouts.
Just to note pala that these workouts are intense. So very important, consult with a physician first.
Ang katawan susunod lang sa isip, kaya mahalagang desidido kang maging healthy hanggang sa huli.
The mind is a very, very powerful thing. So they have to buy into it, meaning they have to invest themselves into it. If you're not fully invested in it, then you're gonna have problems because you're gonna have, in the back of your mind, you're gonna have a part of you that wants you to go back to that couch.
Dano Tingkungko, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.